Hello and welcome to another Sunday Masterclass. Now, usually on my Sunday Masterclasses, I've got a playlist you can look at. I'm either working on a piece of my own work and I show you a detail, a technique, or a part of the painting that I'm working on, or we deep dive into something like colour mixing or specific techniques. But this week I've got something a little bit different because I'm announcing a free drawing challenge. Make sure you watch until the end of this short video so that you can find out how to download your free PDF and get involved. Now, the video that came out before this one, the video that came out on Thursday, was all about drawing, scale and proportion. And I had the idea for that video because I put up a survey. I like to find out what people's pain problems are, what they're struggling with the most, and I put up a survey asking people what they struggled with when it came to drawing, and there were various replies, and that was the resulting video. But there was something else that happened, and that was that in the comments lots of people said, you know, scale, proportion, shading, perspective, that's all very well, but I just don't get time to draw. I just can't find the motivation. I just can't find the time to pick up a pencil. And so that's what this free challenge is going to address. It's going to get you just drawing every day for a short amount of time, just to get you back into the habit of drawing. So what we're going to do is I'm going to give you some prompts. So if any of you have taken part in Inktober, and let me know in the comments if you want me to do something for Inktober. I'm kind of thinking of doing it myself, maybe in YouTube Shorts, I don't know. But I've signed up for the newsletter because I seem to miss Inktober every year. Anyway, with Inktober, you get some prompts each day and then you do a little ink drawing. So what we're going to do for the drawing challenge, it's going to be much smaller and much shorter, but I'm going to give you some prompts, something to draw each day, so you don't have to think about what to draw. And the idea is not to produce some fabulous finished drawing. The idea is just to draw for 5 minutes. Of course, you don't have to stop drawing after 5 minutes if you're enjoying yourself and if you've got time to carry on. But the idea is just to challenge yourself. I'm going to do the thing that Michelle wants me to draw on this day for 5 minutes. You're not going to worry about what materials you're using. You can use a pencil. You can use a ballpoint pen, you can use a piece of printer paper or the back of an envelope. The only thing I want you to do is draw, and we're going to do it for 9 days. Now, there's two reasons I chose 9 days. One is because a lot of phone cameras, they make a nice montage for you. So when you've finished your drawings, if you want to share them, and I'll give you a hashtag, you can sort of make a nice grid of 3x3 and they'll share nicely. Or if you're not up to doing that, you can just, photograph them on a table together. They'll lay out nicely. Of course, you don't have to share them at all. The idea is just to get you back into drawing, because every day that we're drawing, we're improving. The other reason I've chosen 9 days is it runs us quite nicely through 1 week, including 2 weekends. So I've written it down so that you'll go from Saturday of 1 week through to the Sunday of the next week. But again, you're not tied to any specific days. If you want to start it on a Wednesday, that's absolutely fine too. And there's no time limit on this challenge, though, although I'm going to be putting it up now and I imagine a lot of you will want to take part. If you find this video in 2 years' time and you're really stuck with your drawing, just can't get started again, or just want to get back into art or even start art, then this is your answer. I'm also going to include in that PDF some helpful drawing tips and some free resources that are just going to give you a little bit of greater chance of getting a successful result. But as I said, the result is not the point. Drawing regularly is the point. And if you pop down into the description of this video after you've finished watching, you'll find a place where you can download that free PDF. Now, in order to get that, you'll need to pop over to my course website where I sell all my online courses. There are some free ones there too. And you'll need to make a free account, so basically an email address and a password. That gives you access to my course website. You can access that and other free courses. You'll also be able to see all of my paid courses there. And you might be saying to yourself, oh, I'm going to give you my email address and you're going to email me 3 times a day. Now, this happened to me the other day. I signed up for something. I got 4 emails the next day. Nobody wants 4 emails. Now, I have to tell you, I wish I had time to email you 4 times a day. I honestly don't. Yes, you'll get signed up automatically for my newsletter. It comes out once a week. And that is roughly once a week. So there are times when I go on holiday when perhaps I might miss. There are times when I might have a sale on, for example, and you might get 2 emails in 1 week. But you are absolutely never going to get daily or multiple daily emails from me. I don't have the time. It's too annoying. and I really don't see what it achieves. When people do it to me, I just unsubscribe. So what's in my weekly email? Well, the first thing you'll get is just reminders of the YouTube videos that have gone up recently. So if you find that you often miss my YouTube videos, that'll be there for you. I also just chat about things generally to do with art, often around the subject of the weekly free YouTube video. So it might just be something that I've been doing on YouTube and I might expand a little bit further on it or talk about some ideas about it. It'll also tell you when I have anything new coming out. So if I have a new free challenge, a free course or a paid course, and the paid courses are always on offer when they first go up. And some of these are just mini courses, so just a few dollars, and you can get a full, 4-video tutorial, amazing value. And then with the larger courses, occasionally we have sales on them. There might just be a drawing course sale coming up if you've been waiting for that one. And then at Christmas, between Boxing Day and New Year, I generally have a site-wide sale. So the email will remind you all about those things, tell you what the latest YouTube videos have been, give you links so you can click straight through and watch them. And of course, if you don't want the newsletter, if you don't like the newsletter once you receive it, you think, I don't want to get this every week, there's a little button at the bottom and you click unsubscribe and it will never darken your inbox again. And you can still take part in the free challenge. I'll also put a link in the description so that you can join my Facebook group. Because what I'd like you to do, and you're under no obligation to do this, but what I'd really like you to do is share this challenge both before it starts and after you've completed it, so that you can show your results and also just to encourage other people to draw, because more of us should be drawing. We all need to spend less time looking at our phones and more time baking cakes, reading books, and drawing pictures. And you can get started on that today by downloading my free drawing challenge from the description of the video. You'll also find it in my Facebook group.